You guys ready for some science?
Yeah. Now I got
Science.
Yeah.
We're going to do 2 experiments today, if that's okay with you. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and get started then, okay?
Okay.
How's everybody doing today?
Great.
Good. Good, great. That's what I like to hear.
Yeah, it says here you expected to give me 4,254.
That's what I'm saying. You're gonna have to learn.
All right.
Telling you what
You
it
guys
is.
see my desk?
Mm-hmm.
All right. The first thing we're going to make is called a salt volcano. Right?
Oh.
Salt volcano. I have a cup of water here.
Volcano.
Okay?
Volcano.
Volcano.
Listen, okay? I'm going to turn you off to quiet in case I want to ask you questions. All right, so the first thing we're going to do to our water so we can see the volcano magic is we're going to make it a little bit of a color. So what color did I use?
Thing that I could cover.
Green.
That's right, green.
So you can add this.
And I mixed it together.
Oh, excuse me.
All right, now,
Go ahead, God.
step. Does anybody know what this is?
Vegetable.
You know what that is? You might see
Vegetable.
Vegetable oil.
it's called oil. And I'm going to pour it on top. And I use this so the oil wouldn't splash too much.
Oh, shit. Hey, Mama.
I'm actually going to put a little more.
Your face. Your face, Mama.
Now here,
Your face, Mama.
also the best part, but this is part of the cool science.
Your face.
When I put the
Oh, yes, down face on that. Have you?
This is a hair.
Okay.
This is a hair, Mama.
oil and water mixed together or no? Did they stay separate?
They stay separate.
They stay separate. That's already kind of cool.
Separate.
Well, now the next thing we're going to do, and I'm actually going to see if I can get you a little closer.
Not for you.
It has water, food coloring, and
Okay. Now I'm going to
vegetable.
put salt in. And I have 2 different kinds of salt. I have some salt called rock salt. And it's called rock salt because what does it look like?
Stop.
Salt, huh? It looks like little rocks. I also have what's called table salt. And it's not so big, is it?
Leave it for right now.
We're going to try both and see which one makes this look a little bit more like a volcano.
Sit down.
I'm going to put in, the camera's turning. We don't want that to happen. All right, I'm going to put in the rock salt, the big rocks. See what's happening? When I drop it in, what's happening? What do you see?
It's getting salt and rock.
Is the salt staying at the bottom or what is it doing? What do you
It's
see?
staying at the bottom.
A little bit, but what else is happening?
It's going up
That's
and
right.
then down.
Just like a lava does in a volcano, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if it does it if I use the table salt. What's happening now? Is it still doing it?
No.
It's a little different, isn't it? So that is kind of like what lava does inside a volcano. It stays on the bottom for a long time, and then as it gets hotter, it goes up, 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 just like that. Do you see it still going?
Clap, 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 clap.
Right, glove,
Oh,
glove.
that's one at the top.
See?
It's kind of hot, I think.
Cool, huh? How it keeps going.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of what lava does inside a volcano. What do you guys think? Cool?
And I think there's bubbles going up and then down.
Yeah,
Under it.
going back down, but there's also air bubbles that are floating to the top, and then they're like popping out the top.
And they look like vitamins.
They look like vitamins.
Vitamins, don't they? Let's see if we can get it to go a little bit faster.
Was it at the Christmas?
All right. And that is a science experiment you can do at home really easily because you probably have water and oil and salt. And you don't have to do it with the color if you don't want to. I just think the color looks beautiful. So that's our first science. I'm going to leave this over here and see if it keeps going. But our other science today is another one you should be able to do at home. Okay? The first thing you need is a bottle, an empty bottle. Mine used to have soda in it. And you're going to pop the lid. And then the next ingredient you need is something really stinky. We used it before when we made a volcano explode. This is called vinegar. It doesn't have to be the apple vinegar like I have. It can be regular vinegar. That's just not the kind I use. All right, and the first thing you're going to do is pour some very carefully in this bottle. And you might need a grown-up to help you.
Uh-oh.
I'm not going to fill the bottle all the way up. Okay, just a little bit of the way.
Pio.
You is right. It is stinky. Now, whew, it is stinky. What is this that I have?
Balloon.
What color is my balloon?
Orange.
Kind of orange. It's also a little sparkly, so it's kind of an orange gold. Now, to make this a little easier for me, I'm going to roll up this balloon a little bit, see if that'll help, because I'm going to have to put something inside the balloon. And if rolling it up doesn't work, I also have this. Does anybody know what this is called?
A funnel.
Good job. It's a funnel. And what I want to do is put some stuff inside my balloon. And this stuff you probably have at home or in your refrigerator. It's called baking soda. Okay. And we used baking soda before when we were making our volcano, if you guys were here that day. So I'm going to pour my baking soda into my funnel. And my funnel's getting a little too full. That means I need to open up my balloon inside a little bit and make all this baking soda go down.
You don't have a balloon.
And sometimes that's okay. It gets a little tricky. Now, I want to try to fill up my balloon about halfway. So it's kind of a lot of baking soda. It's going to take a couple tries.
Maybe we could buy a balloon.
You could do what kind of balloon, Marky?
No, maybe he said maybe we could buy a balloon.
Oh, you could. I happen to know for a fact that the local flower shop will give you one or two for free. No problem. They're very generous. The one right here by the school. My baking soda is fighting with me. So I'm going to try this a different way. I'm going to put the balloon on the top of the funnel and pour it in. And sometimes science just doesn't work quite the way we expected. And that is okay. I have a huge mess on my desk. My goodness, this is messy. You might want to do it outside or do it with some newspaper or something underneath because I have made a huge mess. See? Big mess. And that's okay because messes are fun. Now, if our science works, I'm going to get this baking soda into this vinegar. And does anybody know what it might do?
What?
What do you think it's gonna do?
What?
What do you think I might try to do with this balloon?
It's going to go all the way into the vinegar, into the balloon, into the vinegar.
Are we ready to see?
Go
Let's see,
up
let's see.
into
On top of the bottle, I'm going to pour in this baking soda.
I told you.
Whoa,
It makes
How
the balloon,
fuzzy it is?
so cool.
it makes the balloon go bigger.
It does. Now, if I disappear for a second, it's because I'm going to run this outside so it doesn't explode everywhere. Oh, it's slowing down. See, my bubbles are slowing down.
Hey!
Look how big my balloon has gotten.
That's so cool.
Isn't that awesome?
Yeah, I'm tired now.
Now, if you don't have a big balloon, a water balloon will work too. It's just a little bit harder to fit on your bottle. Okay? Or you can just mix the vinegar and the baking soda and just watch it bubble up and explode out the top of your bottle a little bit. kind of like a volcano does with lava.
All right, sit back, buddy, please.
And so that is our science today.
To other side of the top. For science, okay.
I'm gonna leave that there because if I take it off, it's gonna get vinegar all over the place. So, what do you guys think? How'd science go?
No.
That's all right.
You like?
All right. Let me switch my camera so I can see you guys. That was our science today. So today we were learning a little bit about kind of like eruptions from volcanoes, huh? We saw how the baking soda and the vinegar went and filled up the balloon. And we saw how the salt with the water and the oil made bubbles, just like lava, to pop up out the top.
Good job.
And that's it for our day. All right.
Hey, this
Tomorrow morning, we're going to come back here for a scavenger hunt. But if you can, you need to be outside for our scavenger hunt tomorrow because we are going to be looking for things like leaves and rocks and trees and stuff like that, okay? So I'll see you guys tomorrow for an outside scavenger hunt.
Let's wear masks.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Have a good day.
Say bye, your friends.
Bye.